Now
So,
our recording has been started. So, hello
so
everyone.
Okay.
hey everyone, we are back again,
Hello, okay, hello.
and you must be
Hello.
seeing me after quite a long time. It's been 3 or 4 days, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
So somehow, yeah, I'm back now. So yeah, that's it.
Welcome back, Aditya.
Yeah. Thank you, Anubhav.
Hello, hello, Chandan family.
Yeah,
Yeah, hey.
Pranjal,
So
please make your
yeah,
camera a
just
little bit
yeah.
comfortable. Yeah, now you are nice. Okay. So, Aditya is with us after gap of 3 to 4 days, I guess.
Yeah, right.
And
Yeah, you're
so,
right.
today's session will be, like obviously go around Aditya more because
It's not mandatory.
Yeah,
Why
no,
are
after
you
it
a
is.
saying like
long
that?
I know
time.
it is
Yeah,
not
Of course.
mandatory, but you will decide today's topic. Like no one else will decide
yeah.
today's topic.
Okay, if it's just based on like I have to decide topic, then I have topic. Like in past 2 days, I have watched the videos from that channel only. Kugs Gezard. I'm
We
unable to
did that.
pronounce it
We
correctly,
did
but yeah,
that 2 to 3 days ago.
Kugs Gezard. Kugs Gezard.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw a new video. They have launched it. It's on. Actually, it's not a new video. Sorry.
It was new for you
Yeah.
because you haven't
Yeah,
watched
it's
that earlier.
it's yeah. It's not a
Yeah.
new video. It was somewhere around 2 years back or something like that,
Yeah.
and it was basically on black holes and wormholes, black holes, and all this
That
astrophysics
that's an
stuff.
interesting topic.
So are you up, guys? Do you want to be
Obviously.
discuss on this
Anytime.
topic?
Anytime.
Anytime.
Pranjal, Anubhav,
Yeah,
need
sure.
confirmations. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So in the video, it goes like the what is the concept of black holes, and what if you are just pulled by a black hole and something like that. So basically they try to like put their thought like what exactly a black hole is and how many types of the black hole exists, and
Yeah.
is there any possibility like we can create a black hole ourselves, something like that. So let's start with what is black hole, a black hole actually. So they
Okay.
have so they said like the everything in this universe, like everything is in this universe is in the form of space time fabric, like it everything in this universe, every matter lies on this space time fabric, right? And the more the mass of this matter, like the more the dense this matter is, the space time fabric bends around it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like it's a theory only, like no one sees if this actually exists. It's just a theory, but yeah,
Yeah,
like
it
if we
is
consider
used
this
to demonstrate the effects of gravity
Demonstrate, yeah.
all the time.
yeah, right, that's, and it's proposed by Einstein. That's
Yeah.
general relativity theory. Absolutely. Yeah, so according to this theory, like so we have one mass, a matter, right?
Yeah.
And we have this trampoline sort of a cloth, so where this mass rests, and where this mass rests, the cloth it bends accordingly, right?
Yeah.
So there's, you
Yeah.
can see a dip in this cloth, stretched cloth, or something like that. So what they said about black hole is that in this black hole there is, you can suppose it has three parts. Okay,
Yeah.
first one is the belts around it, the lightning belt that we have just got a photo of black hole, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Where we can see it has somewhere like you guys have watched that
Yeah, like a
movie.
donut. It's
So,
like
Yeah,
a donut thing.
yeah, it's like a donut. You have watched that movie. What, I'm forgetting its name. Christopher Nolan. What's name? It's Starlight something.
uh,
Okay, whatever,
Interstellar.
let it be.
Interstellar.
Interstellar. Sure, yeah, exactly that photo we have now. It's like
Yeah.
a donut. So that's outer ring. That's nothing but matter revolving around that central part, and they are revolving almost half the speed of the light. That what they have said in the video. So they are moving almost half the speed of the light, and they are just frictioning around themselves. So it's just they get harder and harder, and so that's why we tend to see those lights coming from them. And why these lights do not pulled into the black hole itself? Because there is something called actually there are two things happen, like No, I'll okay. Let it be. I'm just come to that later. So, firstly, we have this lightning part, right? And after that, we have something called event horizon.
Yeah,
Event horizon
Yeah.
is a area, or it's a bound a perimeter actually, where the after that you will get into singularity,
yeah,
and before that you have your the last space that you are able to see. Like if you are into the black hole, okay, then
Yeah.
the last piece of space that you are going to watch is that part only, that just ring outside the black hole.
event
That's it.
horizon thing. Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, so event horizon is the separations bangle. You can just consider a ring that just separates the singularity with the outer space or the actual universe, the observable universe. And yeah, so after that, event horizon is the second part, and after that, we just talked about singularity. So singularity is nothing but it's something with infinite mass, or it's just single. It's just the every single thing in this universe, every possible thing in this universe is just compressed into a single unit. We don't know what unit is it is, if it is a particle or a matter or something like that, or an energy, but it is something, and we call it singularity. So it's that much dense, that the space time fabric is just it just goes deep and deep and deep, and just uh, yeah, just that deep. So we have three portions of black hole, and that's it. So they have talked nicely about these things in the video, like how it forms by the burst of a star. Like when the star dies, black hole forms, and
yeah, yeah, yeah.
eventually
It depends on the
it
size of the star.
yeah, and eventually the everything just sucks up into this
Yeah,
black hole, and it bursts. And okay, so
Rishabh has
Rishabh
Rishabh
is
arrived.
joined.
with
Yeah,
us.
so
Hello,
he
Hi,
will
Rishabh.
Hi
under
everyone.
hey
yeah
Rishabh, hi.
he will understand the
Hi,
topic
Hi
Rishabh.
as soon as
Adi.
you will start.
Yeah, definitely. So Rishabh, we are actually talking about the black holes, right? Are you interested in the astrophysics topic?
Yeah. Black
Yeah.
hole.
Okay. So
Time
we just
travel.
yeah, time travel and thing. Yeah, I was just about to come into that topic, time traveling part. So yeah, so we so far till now we have discussed about what a black hole actually is. That I had just saw from that video by Kirk Skazart. So there we were just on to that only. We discussed the three parts, like the event horizon, the outer lightning part, and the singularity. Just these three things. And after that, the same thing that Rishabh said, like, is there any possibility that with wormholes we can, just transport ourselves into other dimension, or exactly a far location just in few moments, or a
First
bit
of all,
or in
first
the past or in the future?
yeah,
Is there any
yeah,
They,
possibility with that?
but
I think there is a theory about the black hole that at the bottom of the black hole we can
Mm-hmm.
travel faster than the light. And
if we could able to travel that line, then
Yeah,
the
yeah,
time will
actually,
be
if we
get
can get,
dilution.
hmm
The time
like,
dilution will
if,
occur. But
mm,
Aditya, you started speaking about wormholes. So first of all, you have to like introduce wormholes, and then you will
mm,
jump to the time travel
which
thing.
hole?
Wormholes,
wormholes.
Wormhole.
wormholes.
Wormhole.
Okay,
So
okay.
wormholes is nothing. It's just just flip a black hole, and if you like flip a black hole, if it's a if you get a mirror image of black hole, then it's a white hole. So if a black hole pulls everything into it, then a white hole will push everything away from it, right? And when you
Yeah.
merge these two things, black hole and white hole, like if you connect the singularity of the both parts in a plane, and so that you will get a tunnel sort of thing. You can imagine this, right? A black hole coming into things coming into it, and a white hole pushing things out of it. So it
Yeah,
forms a tunnel, and this tunnel we call it as a wormhole. Like it
yeah.
has two openings.
Yeah, or these we can understand these like if we are in opposite sides of the mountain, we drill a hole inside the mountain which directly
Through the
from point
mountain.
A to B. Okay,
Right,
and
right, right.
and otherwise you have to go to the like whole round the mountain and reach point B from A. So if we
Hmm.
dig
Yeah.
a tunnel inside the mountain, we can directly reach. So wormhole just a distortion on the space time, and it connects two points, like it is like this, and this goes that, and that two points get connected. So time travel is possible by that way. That is one possibility. And also I read somewhere like there exist very tiny tiny wormholes inside our environment. If we are able to like
And,
test that all things, and then
have you seen the movie of King Kong?
King
King
Kong,
Kong,
yeah.
yeah.
Huh?
Is
Like
there
I
any
think King, yeah, King, new King Kong that is recently released.
Godzilla versus King Kong.
Yeah, yeah,
2021?
Godzilla versus
Mm-hmm.
King Kong.
No, no, no.
There is a
Mm-hmm.
one concept
No.
that King Kong go for their home.
I haven't watched that movie. Sorry.
Oh, no, I
No,
haven't watched it.
yeah. I
Yeah,
watched it. I
there is
watched
a
it.
concept of wormhole from one side to another
Yeah,
side.
yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Wormhole, same, exactly same thing is wormhole.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
Like
works
you
like that.
can reach from point A to B
uh,
very fastly because
Yeah,
those two things are
basically,
connected.
basically you can think of, the anywhere door from Doraemon. That's a wormhole,
Exactly,
basically.
exactly.
it transferred one side to another
Yeah,
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 it
yeah.
open
wormhole, and
portals.
in
Yeah,
at black hole the object are trapped in between the black hole.
Yeah,
yeah.
it gets sucked by that black guy, and no
Hmm.
one knows what's behind that.
Yeah. We actually haven't, experienced it, so we cannot say the results of it.
How you will
So
Hmm.
that's it.
you will be
How
sucked by
complex is.
that.
It is
And
just a
one more.
theory.
Yeah, and one more thing from the video, like, if we are able to, make these wormholes, so we have to, like, we have to, it sucks up, right? Like it will vanish itself after few time. Like it will rotate, and it will, suck up into its own thing. That's how a
Oh.
wormhole works. And so to overcome this problem, we have to put something in between which holds it, like which will open the portal forever. So we have to need one force, and this is called, antimatter.
Yeah, antimatter.
Antimatter or
Antimatter.
Antimatter.
antimatter? No, it's not actually antimatter. It's something. I think I'm
Just
not getting
forget
it.
it.
Okay. It's just opposite of singularity, right? If
Hmm.
singularity pulls everything towards it, right? So it will just oppose it.
Anti gravity. Gravity pulls
No,
everything and
not
pushes everything. Anti gravity do you
no,
mean
not
only?
not anti-gravity exactly. It's a particle, or yeah, it's a particle sort of thing.
So there's
Like my antimatter matter,
like
some celestial, thing. It's just like that, and we have to put this thing in between the wormholes to maintain the wormhole, to maintain the, make it just open forever. So that's the thing I wanted to share.
Okay.
And so, what do you think? Like, is it possible to travel between times with these wormholes? Like, if we have anywhere door today, so are we able to, transport to future or past with that door?
Maybe in the future, more than
Okay.
100 year ago, after
100.
100 year.
After 100 years.
Okay,
Yeah.
100 years.
traveling in that time is like going to the past or changing things is still a dream for everyone. Like research started with time delusion thing. When you move around black hole, actually
Mhm.
your time becomes slow compared to the other things. Like when you
Mhm.
travel so much fast around the black holes, time actually spends around you is very slow. And in
Yeah.
earth or somewhere, it gets in the same rate, but you feel it very slow. And so you actually travel the time in that way. Like other people move too fast, 100 200 years, and you are just 5 to 10 years, just for
Yeah,
comparison. So
that is what explained by,
you traveled in history, or they traveled in future, you don't know what to call. That is the thing, that is possible if you travel in the speed of light, so that you can't like get sucked by the black hole.
Mhm.
That is the thing. And traveling in the past or future, I don't know if like it opens portals of so many new concepts, like parallel universe, or you can actually like distort the timeline of actual timeline, and all those stuffs come in mind.
Mhm.
So
Yeah,
actually,
that's so
and
interesting.
like one experiment was conducted to check that if time machine has been really made. In that experiment, what a scientist did was, he was a very famous scientist, Stephen Hawking. All of you know that.
Oh.
All of you know him. Okay.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
oh.
We
So
definitely
like
definitely we know that.
definitely in future everyone knows about him.
Hmm.
Okay, so who were people who are like working in the field of science who made a time machine, exactly knew about the
Tesla also are working on it, bro.
Tesla could have been made it, but
Yeah.
but Tesla died.
Just
So
it's waiting for the right time to expose
yeah,
expose
No,
it.
no. Tesla scientist.
Huh.
yeah, I'm talking about
Yeah.
exactly him, Tesla, about
Uh,
Oh,
Nikola Tesla.
Tesla. Oh,
Yeah,
scientist.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
he's
Yeah, I
talking
got
about
you. I
Nikola
got you.
Tesla.
Yeah.
That
That
The
guy,
AC
name of
He
that
scientist.
made some
scientist is Tesla.
electrical chair, just
yeah,
experiments.
Hmm.
Yeah.
that is
Even I
There
have
is a
watched one episode in History TV 18 or Discovery. I don't
National
remember.
Geography,
So
National
they
Geography,
used to say that he's a time traveler actually.
National
Like
yeah,
he
Geography.
one
yeah.
day he was experimenting with this Tesla coil, that high voltage coil,
Yeah,
and he
Uh,
was just sucked up by
yeah,
that high voltage
exactly.
coil, and yeah, and he was just in the future, and after some time he was back. So just rumors around him. I
there
don't
are
know.
so many things about Nikola Tesla. He's a
Hmm.
very brilliant scientist. If
Definitely, extreme.
if he was alive for more than 5-10 years, he would have made electricity wireless.
Whole
Wireless,
world
yeah, yeah.
free.
Hmm. Even he was working with wireless electricity, right? He
Yeah, he
was,
was.
through bulbs, 400 of bulbs in this open field, and he generated his same thing, that Tesla coil, and after that, the bulbs just blew without any connection or
Yeah,
anything.
there are still experiments on the Tesla coil. They are
Hmm.
mostly used by magicians to show some magic stuffs.
Right, 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 right.
So I was talking about experiments. So Stephen Hawking, what conducted?
Hmm.
He made an invitation to time travelers. Okay, so he wrote
Wow.
about a party at this time
Hmm.
this year, and
Hmm.
he is waiting for them. Okay, so he published
Hmm.
this in a TV, and he made this,
Hmm.
and he actually obviously he did everything so that a future guy will know. So,
Hmm.
but he waited for the time, but no one came.
Hmm.
So he, like concluded that there may be some problems in receiving my invitation. If they have made this, if they have made time machine, they definitely have come. So that was one of the experiment to check that when the time machine will really be made or not.
That's yeah.
It
Actually,
was a
that opens
basic
so many
experiment.
possibilities, right?
Yeah, yeah,
It's a basic experiment. Let's get depth of this experiment.
yeah.
What's it?
I think a train will take you to that more depth.
Let it be, man. My
Let's
home is
listen.
around
Let's
it.
let's listen from Pranjal and Anubhav too.
Pranjal, we know first. Yeah, right.
One day we should discuss on Bermuda Triangle.
Okay,
But
no,
oh
Bermuda
yeah,
Triangle.
it
Yeah,
is
yeah.
now solved.
so
It is now solved.
Yeah, it is
is
all.
it? Is it?
So,
Is it?
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So okay, no
Uh,
problem. Okay, we'll get back to it later someday.
behind
Yeah,
behind
yeah,
Bermuda
yeah.
Triangle there is a nice theory, means simple theory.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Wow,
a very simple theory.
Okay.
So we will
no problem.
discuss that in another day.
Yeah, later in later sessions.
Yeah.
No problem. Pranjal
Actually,
and Anubhav on black hole. On black hole. Yeah.
black hole. So I read a small paragraph about black hole with
Mm-hmm.
Akhil. It means in library Akhil
Yeah, yeah.
read that about
Mm-hmm.
black hole, and then I know about what is black hole about this. So uh, in my means my
Imagination
my
and knowledge. What?
no,
My
no,
point of view.
point of view, or
Mhm.
yeah. So how black hole made, or means how black hole is start means when any star or planet
Only star.
like oh, sorry, star, yes. When star means uh, I want to take the time.
Yeah, you will
Burst.
speak after
Burst.
Anubhav. No, he will speak after
No
Anubhav.
problem.
He is
Yeah.
arranging his theories and arranging his
Yeah, yeah.
information. Okay. So Anubhav,
Mhm.
I want, yeah, yeah. I want to like talk about like what is inside a black hole, right?
yeah, yeah, you are
Mm.
talking about a new thing.
Yeah, like it's like that while they miss
while we are seeing like a sky, yeah, hole in a sky, like
Mhm.
yeah, they don't produce produce light, right? A black hole
Mhm.
is not empty. It's actually lots of matter condensed into a single point, right?
Mhm. And that
Yeah,
singularity, right?
yeah, exactly.
So
Is it?
So,
Is it?
Yeah,
Aditya,
it's from
Yeah, yeah,
that
Pranjal.
you tell about black hole is like a hypothesis or any means
No,
it
it's
is like.
black hole itself is not a hypothetical concept, but how it's formed and all the composition or the practicalities basically of black hole is theories. Like it's a lot of
Mm,
things we don't know yet.
features, actually the features we think, some are
Hmm.
theory and some are like concern. Theories are made and then they get like verified and then they become a proof. So searching anything is first you
Hmm.
have to visualize or just have to
Assume
pretend.
something, yeah.
Yeah.
You have to assume something. You have to
yeah,
you have to have something before at the initial.
yeah.
okay.
Actually, black hole is a reason, right? It's reason of space time, like where gravity is so strong, right? Than anything else,
Yeah,
right?
Hmm.
our galaxies are revolving around the black holes.
Yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
exactly.
Exactly.
And I read it 4 to 6 or 7 months, like we are a little bit shifted toward a black hole. Our solar system is a little bit shifted toward a black hole. So that is a
But
long time, but in the space time duration, a slight times make a huge difference.
Actually, the more we are, close to black hole, the speeder we get closer to
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
More
exactly.
faster we get closer to it.
yeah, faster. So Pranjal, have you settled your
Thoughts.
pieces?
yeah, yeah.
Just just imagine we are all in at a black hole, bro.
I would have been sucked by that thing by like what in like cartoon shows the things are sucked up.
Yeah. That genie effect.
Yeah, genie
Then
effect.
when we back at the earth, then see we are young still.
We will not
Actually,
know.
this video is playing as a black hole. Like we are just storing every information in
Yeah.
this. It's just sucking up, and when we are, we'll travel these 100 years or something. We'll just get to see this video again, and we are young, something like that.
Okay, so let's come to Pranjal. Pranjal,
Yeah, Pranjal.
try to give your whole information to
Yeah,
us.
at least say something. Yeah.
He will say
Well,
something,
So
not he will start and he will not stop.
yeah.
yeah.
I like
I
your
want that. I
glass,
want
Akhil.
Yeah, I know.
I like your glass of water. Eh?
Thank you,
You
thank you.
like the way
It's
you
just
drink
like
or
whiskey.
I think
Yeah,
you are
yeah,
the
feeling like
Pranjal.
you are
glass?
drinking rum, right?
Yeah.
Don't spread
So
such things.
my
It's more of a
Why?
drink,
perception
less of a water.
Yeah,
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 about
Pranjal.
Pranjal.
black hole, my perception is like I started from how it is made, or I in my point of view. So when star, when star get more energy, or you can it is like in last stage of fusion, or
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can
The fuel
so
the fuel has been emptied of the star.
yeah, yeah. So when it is like brusted, when star brusted, so it due to gravitational, I don't know about that key. It is like from left to right, but when star burst, or you means the energy is lost. They move due to gravitational. They move towards the black hole.
Yeah, it moves
If
inside its core.
yeah, but when a black hole is not formed, if a black hole is not formed at that time, if you think about that, then why they move that side? Means if black hole is from right side, why not in that left side? if you think
What
that
what left and what right? I haven't got your point.
due to gravitational, when if when we launch any satellite, so it is a point when we give the motion for that. So
Yeah,
when if a star is like motion in uh, universe, so it is what is the reason that the black hole attract. We know that black hole attract like planets, stars, or
everything it
y-
attracts.
everything.
Everything, yeah.
But
I
before that, what that make to move that side? You know
Oh,
when.
I got the point. He's saying like we said that a black hole forms when a star bursts, right?
star
Yeah, yeah,
So
dies
yeah, yeah,
actually.
yeah,
yeah.
the star dies. So there's an explosion, right? So
Definitely,
he's
there is
saying,
a. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So he's saying if there is an explosion, then how things just get sucks into that point?
When
Because things
yeah,
are
because yeah, because when star burst or anything is splitting, but it is like a star is like a round shape anything, but it is split like equal parts. You know,
Yeah,
if it splits, then it moves anywhere from left, right, any like four
yeah,
U
yeah, yeah.
sections. Yeah, so it what is the reason that every part is moves in the same direction? So I don't know about this, but yeah, due to this, the black hole is formed like a collision of all the particles around universe of stars, and that's why when that collision is started, they make high energy, higher energy. Then this higher energy is like if you I take like example of Earth. Inside of Earth, there is a core means lots of energy. You know, it is form of I think
Yeah, it is.
when a volcano release it
Lava, yeah.
release like lava.
Lava.
So inside this like a small nucleic that is like lava. You know, lots of
Yeah.
energy. So this start mm,
Stars are made.
uh, stars are made. So no, not after bursting uh, in black hole. These are like collide inside that. You know, all particles are collide in
Collapse
that.
inside the
So
black hole.
black hole. So that black hole is a like higher energy. Okay,
Yeah.
they get more higher day by day.
Yeah.
So like this when Earth is also inside that higher energy, so it has like own gravity. Like
Yeah.
gravitational is different, and we have like own gravity. So
Yeah.
like that, I think black hole is also own gravity. That's why
Oh, I
they
got your
all
point.
attract.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all
Yeah.
attract there. So due to this all particles, the black hole have higher energy and high attractive
Gravitational
force.
pull. High
Yeah,
gravitational
yeah,
pull.
high gravitational force. So, but how it is made, that is after
It is,
splitting.
it
Yeah.
doesn't split actually. There are three types of stars. So
Okay. Okay.
when the small,
dwarf, quasars,
yeah.
and stars.
So like there are three
Oh.
types. Let's name it ABC. Okay. So for generalizing
Okay.
purpose.
Okay.
So when star A dies, what it becomes like it becomes a white neutron. So it a white dwarf. It like space revolves for a very million times. It is just a white neutron star. It just
Okay.
revolves around a place for many times, many days, and it becomes a dust particle, and that's all. That's his life. And another is like our sun type of stars. So
Okay.
how they dies is they firstly expand. They become a red giant and then become a pulsar type of thing. A pulsar is a like state of star. If you will read that, so they after like they also get in a similar state and they also vanish. But stars bigger than our sun, actually when
Right.
they,
Right. Yeah.
yeah, actually when they die, they collapse inside themselves. So
Right. Right.
yeah, so they collapse inside themselves, and the core becomes concentrated by
So
so much
dense.
of matter, so it is able
Mhm.
to distort the gravity and all those things. So that is how a black hole is made. That is actually, I remember, I'm not actually remembering all the facts, it's been a long time I have read all about that. So that is the thing, like there are only three types of stars that makes the third type make a black hole kind of thing.
Black hole.
Yeah.
Right.
So that is the whole thing I knew about them, and there are little bit more things,
Okay.
but I have to revise those things.
Let's discuss like how black hole kills you.
Black holes, it doesn't kills you. Gravity kills you. Black hole doesn't do anything.
Yeah, yeah.
Bro, you don't understand my
I
context, like
A black hole can't kill
yeah,
you because you
definitely
don't
we
know,
definitely
like
when
what
we discuss
happened
about
after.
black hole.
But like definitely you don't know what happened as soon as you get
Anubhav,
sucked by black
yeah,
hole.
yeah. When Earth stop moving, so what happened, Anubhav?
Yeah, that's a nice question.
So,
uh,
uh,
I think there is no day or no light, no night.
no, no,
Matlab,
no.
only
Our one teacher, yeah, we call him like
It will
he
get
is a
sucked by
Google.
sun, I think.
You know,
Yeah,
Akhilasis sir.
yeah.
We call him as
Don't
Google.
take name of anyone.
So, oh, sorry, sorry, sir. So, nahi, he tell us like when Earth stops, like you feel thousands of elephants like
Yeah,
the
Pressure.
you
yeah,
feel that weight in your head.
yeah.
So,
In your head and all.
okay.
yeah, yeah.
Is it
So
true?
So
yeah,
like that,
right, right.
if black hole has
Try.
a higher
How can I try?
gravity, means it attract us, so we feel that this also it happens. Anything happens in so,
Uh, let tell
but
me, Akhil,
but
how can I
but
try this?
it happens anything, but no, we cannot live there. You know.
Experience it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
It's facts, fact and theory,
Our
right?
life
Depend
and
on.
it's a fact. How it could be a theory. So, but
Fact
like
and
how
theory.
Earth will not stop until unless we will remove the sun, we will remove other planets. We are
yeah,
revolving due to
yeah.
that. So let's take an answer from Rishabh. So what will
Yeah.
happen, Rishabh, if Earth will suddenly stop moving?
It's
I think
fall
they
down.
are. Yeah.
It will fall down.
Yeah. Earth
Into
will
sun.
revolve like Lattu.
Yeah, let to.
Lattu. Okay.
Lattu, I think.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I actually don't remember a name for laddu in English.
Yeah.
They don't have, actually they
Top,
don't
top,
have. They use
Yeah.
Beyblade.
top,
And
top, top.
same
Top is English of Lattu.
revolution and rotation are applicable for the sun also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both are revolving and rotation exactly for another universe, another galaxy. I think black hole.
I,
Yeah, they are revolving around a
Hmm.
black hole.
Hmm.
The whole
Yeah.
system.
I have an answer for this. Like, what if Earth stops?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
True.
Say
think
Adi.
black
Yeah.
hole made like
So,
from another galaxy near the our Milky Way.
mhm.
What?
Our Milky
Milky
Way
Way.
itself, it has its own black
Yeah,
hole.
what it happens actually,
Hmm.
the matter gets around the black hole slowly. The things are revolving around that, and that is how a galaxy is made.
A spiral
Uh,
galaxy.
Yeah,
yeah, nahi, means what I put it
What
that
you want to say?
yeah, yeah, means like a Milky Way.
Mhm.
Nahi, I don't know, but I asked from you all that
Okay.
every galaxy have their own force, like we have gravitational force.
no, 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 no,
Yeah.
no. It is
No.
universal.
No.
It is universal. Gravitational force is universal until now.
Yeah, we are just
Yeah.
accepting
It
it.
is just a law of attraction.
If they will say it in different name, we don't know. But gravity is
Hmm.
it is everywhere in the universe.
Yeah. So there is a
Like
constant
from
in a
many
gravitational force
light
formula.
year means क्या
You will
बोलते हैं
travel to any part of the universe wherever you will go, until unless we are talking about parallel universe. So there will be gravity in our universe. Actually, the laws of physics are laws of physics applies to almost everywhere in the universe. It's the actually the study of universe is physics. So it's a very
Yeah, so I have an answer for this. Like, what if
Ye-
Earth stops revolving, right, or
yeah.
Yeah,
rotating?
sure.
So
So,
yeah,
so I think eventually it will be, sucked by the sun. And definitely, if Earth is sucked by the sun, then the moon will also sucked by it, and it will distort the whole solar system, and all the planets will be sucked by the sun, and it will eventually be a black hole, something sort of like this.
Who will be black
So,
hole? Will sun will be black hole?
so
yeah, it will,
this is
just
the end of Milky Way. You know what
yeah, basically.
I yeah.
And
So
these two black holes will
I
collide and
want to
form
say
another
that
bigger black hole.
near Milky Way, there is another galaxy which is like end. So
Andromeda
it
galaxy.
form yeah. So no, the black hole. You know, I am talking about black hole. The black hole is a galaxy which is like totally end up and it is formed like black hole.
Okay.
Wow.
So it is a
Okay.
near, a very too much near. So it attract our Milky Way. So it is like near.
Yeah, it will attract there. Eventually, the doomsday will come one day by like until very
Yeah.
much. So let's come to a one more question. Like if if somehow someone kicks out moon, someone kicks out moon, then what will happen?
Oh, oh,
If someone
Eh,
kick out will be so,
Just remove Earth, just remove moon from the solar system. Our moon. Don't
okay.
remove someone other's moon. Yeah,
so we will don't have
I
half
tides.
I listen that
half half.
yeah tides. I read
Tides will
in
not be
science
there.
tides.
Hmm. So tides will not be there. So all the waters will be collected to one part of the planet, and all the land mass will be collected to
I
another part.
Yeah, but I think that the molecules like a small particle and is big particle that attack attraction between them is like destroyed and anything is happen in molecules.
So basically, the force of attraction between them will be disturbed, right?
Yeah.
And where is Akhil? Akhil. Okay. And about do you have
Yeah.
anything on this, Rishabh? Do you have anything on this?
No,
No,
I
bro,
exactly
I don't
never
have
thought
any
about
idea.
this.
Yeah.
Never thought about kicking a moon.
Yeah, we read that when move apart from the earth, apart from the earth, the tides like we read about this, but it is also
Then
I listen
there
and
is
I read
one
that
question,
the
Adi.
attraction
Sure.
between masses like Adi, I am 60 kg and you are like 55, so you attract to me, you
Hmm.
know
Hmm.
like lower masses attract like higher masses.
Yeah, basically every mass attracts, but the
Yeah,
force
and
is less or more.
molecules too.
Right, right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there is
Rishabh,
one
Yes.
Rishabh.
question.
Hmm.
What happen if we have more than 2, 3 natural satellite?
moons.
Like 2, 3 moons.
Moon.
There.
Yeah.
So that's
Then how
again
the law of attraction work?
no. I think if we have two, three
Actually,
moons and somehow they
So
are just in equilibrium,
no
so
no
then
no.
only we will have that tides cases like the water will
Yeah, yeah,
eventually
yeah.
be surround the whole planet
First
because
of
there are
all,
3, 4 moons.
First of all, what will happen? First of all, we have to understand the effects of one moon to our planet. Actually,
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that
Just
first.
just imagine moon is a magnet.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Earth is Earth is a
Another one.
Earth is a small iron.
Yeah,
okay,
like
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Hmm?
Hmm.
We
yeah.
have a three moon
Hmm.
okay,
along three sides.
Hmm.
okay.
Then think what happened. Just
Well,
at a table,
yeah,
say iron in the center, three magnet are along the iron,
yeah.
alongside of the
Yeah,
iron.
yeah.
Then
Biot Savart law.
ex-
Yeah,
Biology.
Biot
then
Savart law.
exactly that happened.
Wow, we will use Bayes Savart law to like actually calculate the magnetic field, and we will place that when the magnetic equilibrium exists at that point.
Yeah, yeah.
But the
And that will
effects,
be it will be centroid of the
but there are more effects along. Yeah,
tetrahedron.
that thing you can like balance the position, all those stuffs. But the effects
Mhm.
are actually are basically more on the position and rotation of the Earth. So
Mm.
Okay.
first of all, like our Earth is like this. It's little bit tilted, okay?
Access,
So
yeah, right.
Moon keeps us on that thing. That is the reason why we have seasons. So first of all, I know I have to like calculate some things to predict about the seasons and all, because the tilt will get be disturbed by the other moons also, because it will not be at 22 degree and what
Yeah,
Yeah.
things.
motion is also
Okay.
Yeah, the
There is
motion will also.
also one question.
Mm.
Mm, what is the reason behind the flip of the Earth? Actually,
The tilt of the Earth.
no flip.
What do you
Actually,
mean?
flip.
Actually, there
flip
are two kinds
happen.
of rotation, right?
There is one second.
Spinning
Flip
about.
is actually what?
Yeah.
There is two pole, North Pole,
Yeah.
South Pole.
Yeah,
They just flip in a minute.
25 million years, right?
in the what
Some
in
span of time,
whatever
some span
in
of time.
a long time.
No, this happened three times in the time period of before the human exit. NASA proved that. This is the concept behind the movie 2012, and
Okay.
this is the real concept.
Yeah,
One
yeah,
day Earth will flip and hold the human existent.
yeah. I don't know
Mhm.
about that.
You don't know about that?
Yeah, I don't.
Actually,
I
he's
also
talking
Actually,
don't
about the
what is
shifting
the
of
know.
poles.
what is the
Shifting of
reason
poles.
why the shifting of pole is happening? I don't know about that.
Okay.
Rishabh,
It's just a periodic thing. Just shifts. We
So
don't know.
something will be the reason for that, na?
We will come there to late some later.
Yeah, due to this, the in Greenland, yeah, I
The
Antarctica.
effect of
Uh,
the green thing is happening. What it's called, the aurora light. The
Aurora
aurora
lights,
light thing is called.
northern
yeah, yeah.
lights, northern
Yeah,
lights. Yeah.
northern lights, aurora lights, those are the effects they used to call that thing. So there are so many like things are happening in our
No,
surrounding. We don't know the reasons for that, and we never listened about those things,
Yeah,
strange
yeah.
things. One day,
in in India is also many strange thing we want to find
Happen.
like Praveen
Yeah.
Mohan sir.
Yeah, Praveen Mohan sir is just exactly doing these stuff. So he's solving mysteries around the India.
Yeah,
so it's
Our
already
society.
been 42 minutes and 40 seconds.
Yeah,
We'll
let's just
That's
wrap
great.
it.
Yeah,
I think
we will wrap it.
I think Rishabh should do the honor of conclusion.
What
where
he
is
will,
Rishabh? Yeah, Rishabh.
how he will conclude the unconcluded thing.
It is like
I think Pranjal was from the beginning, right? So Pranjal, can you do the honors, please?
Just name the topics and the questions, and that's all.
Mhm.
yeah. So first we discuss about start discussing about black hole and the Adi talk about the in YouTube channel there is what Adi the channel name.
Kirk's के साथ.
Yeah.
That's
So
great.
he watched that and he no he gives the theory about that. So there is like three things event horizon and event horizon and there is two things too.
Light and the singularity. The
Yeah,
lights.
singularity the inside the middle part of that right I think
Mhm.
we can say singularity. So that and then after we all put the theory of we put nicely about the theory of that black hole. So
Mhm.
Okay.
uh,
yeah, and we discuss about that all forces and the reason behind this moon, what when moon apart from Earth and near to the more near to the Earth, and there are if we imagine there are two moons extra near to the earth, then what will happen? This is like assumptions, our assumptions. So, yeah,
Yeah. And after that, we have beautiful questions by Rishabh,
yeah, yeah.
like some brainstorming questions. And that's it for
So,
today, I think.
yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
So
Bye,
please pardon
everyone.
Rishabh, and it is like last wrap up.
Yeah, tomorrow we promise a more greater session than today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
So,
bye bye everyone.
yeah, that's
Bye
our
bye.
time.
Bye,
Bye
bye,
bye.
everyone.
Bye.